A renewed commitment to cleaning the Yamuna. The Yamuna River, one of India's most sacred and historically significant rivers, is now at the center of a massive cleanup initiative. Following the BJP's electoral victory in Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed to take decisive action to restore the river to its former glory. The initiative aims to tackle decades of pollution, untreated sewage, and industrial waste that have severely contaminated the Yamuna. A renewed commitment to cleaning the Yamuna. For years, the Yamuna has been choking under toxic waste, with over 70% of Delhi's sewage flowing untreated into the river. The newly launched Yamuna Cleaning Initiative is a multi-phase project designed to stop untreated sewage from entering the river by upgrading drainage and sewage treatment plants, STPs. Crackdown on industrial pollution, ensuring that factories follow strict waste disposal regulations. Remove plastic and solid waste through large-scale cleaning operations. Increase green cover along the riverbanks to restore biodiversity and improve water quality. PM Modi, in his recent address, said, "A clean Yamuna is not just an environmental necessity, but also a promise to our future generations." What's happening on the ground? To turn this vision into reality, the government has deployed dredging machines and cleanup crews, removing years of toxic sludge and debris from the riverbed. Industrial regulations, strict monitoring of factories dumping chemical waste into the river. Modern sewage treatment plants, new and improved STPs to treat wastewater before it reaches the river. Community involvement, engaging citizens, NGOs, and local authorities to ensure sustained efforts. In just a few weeks, visible changes are already emerging. Local residents have reported cleaner stretches of water, and wildlife is beginning to return to the riverbanks. Challenges ahead. While this initiative is a bold step forward, experts warn that sustained efforts are required to ensure long-term success. Some key challenges include enforcing pollution control, ensuring factories and industries comply with new waste management rules, sewage overflow issues, upgrading Delhi's outdated drainage system to prevent sewage leaks, public awareness and responsibility, educating citizens about waste disposal and pollution control, coordination between agencies. Effective collaboration is needed between state and central governments. The government has assured that strict monitoring, heavy penalties for violators, and continued investment will keep the initiative on track. A step toward a cleaner future. A cleaner Yamuna will have a massive impact on Delhi's environment. It will improve air and water quality, benefiting millions of residents. Restore aquatic life, allowing fish and birds to thrive again. Boost clean drinking water supply for the people of Delhi and beyond. Enhance tourism and cultural heritage at iconic spots like the Taj Mahal and Yamunotri. The Yamuna Cleaning Initiative is more than just an environmental project. It's a movement to reclaim India's natural heritage. With government action, strict regulations, and community participation, a pollution-free Yamuna is possible. What are your thoughts on this initiative? Do you think the cleanup will succeed? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on India's biggest environmental projects. Together, let's build a cleaner, greener future.